Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gauzy Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic counters and registers, design and test bench Verilog. Digital electronics have the most comprehensive applications that mostly deal with calculations. Counters and registers are the extensive utilization of a sequential circuit, but it time, delay or pulse counting. The sequential circuit covers them all. This write-up is all about counters and registers. Starting with registers, a register is a digital circuit with two primary functions, that is data storage and data movement. It is a group of flip-flops that logically connects to perform various tasks. To store a group of n-bit words, we need n flip-flops. We can also say that a register is a group of the binary warehouse that is fit for enduring binary data. Moreover, it may combinational circuits for various data-related transactions. Types of registers. The shift register can have a combination of serial and parallel shifter inputs and outputs, including serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, parallel in, serial out. Universal shift register. A universal shift register is capable of doing all the operations like SISO, SIPO, PISO, PIPO and bidirectional shift. There are wide ranges of applications like time delay, data conversion, ring counter, sequence generator, etc. Here are the design code and test bench along with the simulation waveform. First one is design and test bench. Next is counter. A counter is a digital circuit that counts the number of occurrences of input on clock pulses. Counters are a sequence of flip-flops. It can use the combinational element along with FFS to generate control signals. Flip-flops are interconnected such that their combined state at any time is the binary equivalent of the total pulses that have occurred until that time. Here is a diagram of the 3-bit counter using JK flip-flop. Next is its design and test bench. Ring counter. Ring counter is the most straightforward shift register counter. It is also called the AND carry counter. It is clear from the logic diagram that Q output of each state connects to D input of the next state. Here the output of Q0 of LSB is linking back to the input D3 of MSB FF. Here is the design and test bench. Next is Johnson counter. The Johnson counter is a SISO shift register. Its design provides feedback from the inverted output of the last FF to the input of the first flip-flop. It is also known as twisted ring counter, mobiles counter and switch till ring counter. The logic diagram shows each stage links to the D input of the next step. However, the output of the end stage and data of the initial phase are tied together. Here is the design and test bench. Last but not the least, conclusion. In this article, counters and registers, we have saw the construction and code of various counters and registers available in the repositionary of the sequential circuit. The registers are base of the applications like data conversion, arithmetic operation, time delay, etc. Where counters find its use in analog to digital transformation, stepper motors and control signal generation. It is advised to study sequential circuits thoroughly to excel in these topics. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.